live on YouTube, live on Kick, Twitch. Probably we are live on Twitch also. Yeah, all the channels. Okay, we had before 5 minutes ago CPI news. Okay, after that we don't have anything, so let everything cool off and then see if I have a execution, a way to execute a trade. Wow, wow. tech, כאילו tech stock market today not good. Let's see. I bought 2 days ago Nvidia stocks. Let's see what happened. Let's see what happened to Nvidia. You say tech stock. It's a little bit slow, this app. Why? By the way, I'm up in my position, not down. I'm up. I don't know. I don't know about what's going to happen with Trump, but it's not going to affect the way I'm trading. So it's not like I'm an investor and I'm for the long run. So I worry to what is going to happen. No, Zuzi. I'm a day trader / scalper. So I'm not like on the long term. I don't care. When I pass the challenge, now I am on funded next challenge, and now I'm halfway to the results. I need to gain 10k in order to pass this challenge, and after I will make it, I'm going to give away this $500. If you heard and you think, maybe it's true, because you are think like this. If you think is gambling, so, and you act like a gambler when you are trading, so yeah, it's a gambling. It could be a gamble trade, a gamble game. If you are just messing around and don't know what are you doing, so yeah, it could be a gambling. But when you know what you're looking for and you execute your plan, so it's not gambling, is now a game of probability. It's a different thing than gambling. people, you know, they are don't not patient and don't know what they're looking for while they trading, so they just buy, sell, do whatever they want, and eventually they losing the money and say market is gambling, I don't want to trade, etc, etc, and etc. I'm not rich and it's not my money and it's not a real money. It's a challenge account. It means that now every trade I make is not a real money because now I'm in a challenge. If you're familiar with a founded account, it means that you have company that they have a certain kind of challenge. For example, if you want to have an account of 100k in from those company, so first of all you need to pay money. This kind of challenge cost $500. So you have rules. You cannot lose in one day 3%. You can't lose 6% below than 100, and you need to gain 10%. So it means that after I going to pass this challenge, then I'm going to get 100k account, but it doesn't mean the $100, the 100k is my money, just a portfolio. So like now I have an access to a bigger account, and now I can, like, for example, gain 5% amount and make a very decent amount of money, like 5k amount for a month is a lot of money. And no, I'm not rich. I'm still not rich, and I'm not looking for. I'm not like my dream is not to be rich. My dream is to be financial free, like not to worry about money. I don't want money to be an issue in my life. doing, Phil? Eden. Today I'm not myself. I'm after a dentist appointment. Fuck, I hate this. They treat me like a piece of meat. I wore a piece of fucking meat, lay down on the bed. I tell them it's hurt. The anesthesia not working. It's hurt. It's hurt. It's fucking hurt. She let me know. Don't move. Lay down. Don't move. And I tell her, no, it's hurt. I just stop everything in the middle. I stop everything. She's pegged the thing. She's put the, I don't know how to say in English, but she's closed it up. And I'm done. I go. She's even left it like, it's not even. I can't close it all the way. And it's hurt. Now I'm in pain. Man, I fucking hate it. I never had like a dentist appointment and I said myself, wow, he's such a good dentist. It was a very, very good work. He did perfect thing. I'm feeling new. Fucking shit. Man, I hate this fucking shit. Man, I hate it. Okay, let's back to the business. Today, I took a trade. And I have the same problem, by the way. The same problem. I don't know. She's like, grind the teeth, and she's reached to the point is where like the problem, but the anesthesia, the thing they put in the nurse that you don't feel pain, is didn't work. She's put more and more and more, and it didn't work. She didn't have the kind of anesthesia that need for this kind of treatment. So she's put more, it is not working, and it was hurt, and I tell her it's hurt. She tell me not moving, but man, I'm like, I'm start to do like, movement that I didn't control, like it was fucking hurt. So I tell her, no, let's finish, and that's it. Fucking. Okay, I want to tell you, fuck them, I'm not go. The last appointment is were in before 3 years ago. I go. I want to show you a buy position I took. It were at pre-London. Yeah, pre-London. I had this like, I saw we have volume on pre-London volume. We have a break from this structure. I take a buy here. Took a buy here, and I put a TP here, but where is it? yeah, it was here. So while like it go up, I retrace my stop loss below the 15-minute candle. So it's reached to here, and the new 15-minute candle made a little bit small like top like a bottom wick. So I retraced my TP below, and eventually I wore a stop out. So I took a buy from here all the way here, but my main TP like I wanted to put here, but in this time I were already in the at the dentist, so I don't know if I will take another buy because it was already a bit late, but it was an okay trade. It wasn't perfect, but like the execution is was perfect, but I wanted from the price to reach here, but it is what it is. I took a very decent profit around 800. I know it's going down. I know gold is going down. It's reached to a very strong resistance on the daily. You need to break this resistance in order to go up. Man, I don't know if to take any trade back from the dentist to home. From the dentist to home, I missed the turn to my home, so my mind is not clear right now. Yeah, also we have a rejection on the 4-hour. I don't know if I'm going to take any trades. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Tuesday, isn't it? It's Thursday, isn't it? Tuesday. Let's see what kind of news we have tomorrow. Tomorrow we have PPI. PPI news also at 2:30, so maybe I'm going to trade pre-London and London opening. Let's see what I have in the calendar. It's Purim! Today we have a holiday, Purim. All the small kids is going and want to be the Spider-Man, Superman, costumes. What? Something funny in the dentist? I'm always come earlier than I should be to places. So I came like half 1 minute. Let's see, we have this level on the 1 hour. I want to tell you something funny. Okay, maybe we'll see a continuation, or he's going to close inside and going up. Let's see. He's like, I think it's this level. Yeah, like here. Okay, let's see. Nice. What I wanted to tell you. Really? Let's see. Let's see. There is no way gold goes down. Let's see. Maybe. We don't know. It's gold, you know. So I were waiting to my turn at the dentist. So I sat in the hall where the patient is waiting to their turn, and I play chess, and I was like in the game, like my mind was on fire. I was in the game, thinking, and I did a mistake. Suddenly I did a mistake, and I like shit. I scream shit in the dentist's office. Everyone was shocked. Look at me. It was funny. Yeah. It was fun as fuck. It makes sense. It makes sense now. It makes a lot of sense. Ah, it was fun. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit, girl! Don't do it! Don't do it! Please. Don't do it! Don't do it! Fucking shit. Could be a crazy trade. I wanted to that. How? Let's see. Ah, like here in this, by this 15 minute. This 15 minute. Interesting. Let's see. Let's see. It's a scalp. Let's see. Let's see the 5 minute. Man, that could be crazy. I'm on the 15, yeah. I think there is going to go down here. To go with the trend. like if what you say is true, is not supposed to break his own low now. So let's say take a buy here. Maybe order blocks at the 15-minute is like more decent, like more reliable, let's say. Like is it overbought, oversold, I think. Sorry. Is it? It's the level I try to break. Yeah, but for example, this is like an order block on the 15-minute. So it's look like an order block, I think, if I'm not mistake. And really is find here a resistance. No? Interesting. Let's look again at your chart. Because we have a high low in the left. We have a high low in the left, so you draw it as a potential place for a resistance. Yeah, why not? Yeah, let's call. Hey. Okay, 1 minute I will. Great. You hear me?
Yes.
Great. You probably also hear yourself. Okay.
Yeah, I'm muted already.
Okay.
Let me know when you see and everything.
Yeah, I see.
Okay.
1 minute. I just.
But make sure you don't miss any trade.
No, I'm not missing any trade. I don't see anything right now. I just want. Never mind.
Oh, you want to record it?
Yeah, why not? What is an opportunity to learn?
Yeah, but like, don't see it as it is 100% like that. You know, like trading is like, yeah, it's like very difficult to execute on these kind of things. It needs like you need to do that basically all day for. Anyway, yeah. Okay, you ready?
You know what? I can't record it. Let's. I can't record from here, like in the. Oh, here I am. Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, so how do I start? So let's go to your time frames. So you're technically right that like everything I say is like what I think and from my experience. It doesn't need to be right. Doesn't need to be whatever. Like it could be wrong. It could be right. It's just my experience and my like how I see the market. Anyway, so you're technically right. Like on the 15 minutes, this whole thing here is an order block, but this is not the level. This is not. This is different level here. What like this is a different level. What I mean here. So yes, like I teach you like the order blocks and whatnot, and it is a multi-time frame analysis. That means that like for example, right? So for example, just an example, right? This move up to the downside here, yeah.
Okay.
We don't have anything on our left. So for example, we don't even know, like at this point when we see this, we don't know what it hit to the left because we don't have any red candles here. So that means that this level, what got hit here, needs to be lower than 50 minutes.
Okay.
Because you know what I mean? So,
Yeah,
so,
yes.
so and then because we don't see anything here, so we go lower to the 5, and we look. Do we see? Okay, we have a look, and that's a perfect example, right? We have an order block here. This is how I mark the order block. You can also do like this is different. I find out. I also explain you the red candle, the top, and the wick. So technically, what would be right would be this area from the top of the red candle to the wick. So this would be the area of interest for me. So and then I explained to you last time. Then if the wick is that small, we could take the top of the wick because let's say the price comes down, and is not going to this area specifically. It's only going here, and we taking this one. We miss the trade for like 2 cents or something. So that's why if the wick is so small, we can you can take the top of the wick. So this area is basically the way of it. So this is an order block, and we see it's clear. It's a clear long. It was a clear long. So the 5 minute in this case is the right time frame. And with that said, what I did is okay. I know this is the right time frame. Gold is on right now. I can use my other level. That would be this one. And I explained to you this one. This is like the break level. This is like if a move breaks, and we saw that on on.
So it's going down.
This is the break level. These are the two break levels. How you mark it, and if you break one of them, this is like my whole strategy basically. I want to be, for example, like I want to have the bias where it goes, and then I want to short or long these type of events. And we saw it. We saw it here on your trade. We broke it. We boomed up, and then obviously we come down again. We retested this. So and at this point is like, okay, what you as a trader or what I do is like I watch or like maybe I take the risk just out of okay we are holding, we are so strong and we have so much move up and the economy whatever that I gamble a little bit and say okay I'm entering here, stop loss maybe down here, and I'm gambling that this break now is holding the move up, and then you enter here and so on. And if we go further down and we for example close, wait, let me really quick, where was the level? 5 minute, was it a 15? Probably 15 here, yeah. So if we break it, for example, down like this one, this would be is a break. These candles here, the full body is underneath the level. That would mean a break. And when I see that here, and now the move is basically done, so it goes further down. Anyway, but this is the same level. What I wanted to say is, as on DJ here right now, this is the same level as I marked on gold. So we broke up, came, back tested, and boom up. Even this trade up here, even this one is, in my opinion, a good trade.
Okay.
Because you already know that this is happening when it breaks.
Yeah.
So my thing would be, and also what we see here is, for example, so we also see that this here is an order block, and we hold the order block. Even though we don't have this one, you could also, like, there's also, like, in this whole of the strategy is like, this is called it's called hold level, right? Holding something up, like holding an apple up, holding this market up. So that means if this level here holds the, like, if that is holding the price up, then we don't go further down.
Yeah.
And you see clearly that it holds the price up. Back to gold. That is basically the same level here. That is very tricky. That's a more tricky one because we never touched it here. But
you could execute by the 15-minute order block. So you can.
The thing is, this is the order block here. So how do you execute out of that? So let's say this is your order block.
I usually also pay attention when I add like a small quick of a backtesting, that you need to include also the wicks in the order blocks. Like the best execution is to also include the wicks. So what I mean is the wicks, not only of the bearish candle, also of the bullish candle. So like you see the bullish candle here. This one also is this wick.
So you use that as order block,
this one,
But even then, like, this is such a, like, you never have, like, you specifically you never have like a long, you would never trade with that big
I never trade like this. I never took a chance. But now
so
you see it.
You can't play out.
But when you see it, you can say yourself, okay, there is something here because I saw it many times. So you potentially can take a buy at the bottom of the order block and have like a 200 point stop loss. Something around this. So
but look right now, like like before, like that's the thing, like I'm not saying use all of that, like your strategy doesn't include that, but this is like, even though
I know maybe my strategy not included it, but I can take it to consideration when I know where have the price to potential to reverse, like to be aware in the dangers of reversal, because
but like the thing is your strategy completely is like you're shorting this one, or like you not this one, but you would short like down here maybe when the price goes even further.
I wouldn't short. If you look at my stream screen, because this candle is go very further down and eventually close here. I have like he made a lot of moves down already. So if he were close here without having this down, this downtrend, this down wick over here. So, and after that, if I saw this 30-minute is find a rejection here, like touch here and then retrace a little bit down, then I can execute a trade. and have a stop loss here in this zone.
Yeah.
But he's already made a huge distance, and so it's more like
Okay, give me 1 second. My 1 second.
hey.
Okay, I'm back. Sorry.
Great. Yeah.
I had stuff in the oven, you know, like for the breakfast. Like,
You
know.
are at work right now, no, not in your home?
What again? No, I'm at home.
You're at home. You're working from home,
Okay.
you said me, right? Yeah.
Nah. I'm not working at home. I have like a super shitty job anyway. Yeah, that is the potentially this is the level, but we can see also like we could investigate. Maybe we find something else even lower. So we have like this level here. Technically, maybe when I mark it this way, you see that it's never tested. So the price never tested this area, never came back into and bounced. So it's a 3 minutes. Oh wait, no. So it
Yeah,
never
3.
bounced. Yeah, it's a 3.
Yeah, 3.
So it's a 3 level. Like it is most likely. Like I'm not that's never nothing is 100% sure, but this is most likely the 3. This is how I found.
Like you found in places where the price can bounce from there, like have like
yeah.
like it's
Like,
reach
it's
there with a full
different
power, reach there, and then it's going to bounce from there. Like
Yeah, but the thing is, it's so much knowledge. So you see, like this, the 3-minute order block, how I mark it. I told you, either the top of the wick or the bottom, like one of them. It doesn't matter. It's basically the same, because if the price comes down at some point and hits the top of this wick, that means this level or this order block is hit. So or it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It's also so less. It's like nothing. It's 0.0%. So it doesn't matter. But this, you see, it's also perfectly hit again, like to the cent, and then goes up. But you never know which one. So why is it this one, not this one?
Because
Why,
why? But how you can put the advantage in your way that if you write in one time, for example, let's say now you write on, you took the gold position right now, potentially you can gain 900 points. So the risk reward ratio is very big here.
Exactly. No, it's every time, because you know why? Because look, I'm trading mainly SOL, yeah. Let's see. Wait.
You can, for example, you can lose 5 times in a row and win 1 time, and you'll be okay.
Depends. Yes, but depends. So I have a different view on trading in general than the most people, right? The most people go on YouTube, buy a course, and they just follow this course. They never look to left and never look to the right. That's why, for example, I have some other streamer friends, right?
Okay.
And they trade ICT or your Jewish friend. They are so strict in what they do, and even you, so to the point, they are so strict in what they're doing. That is totally fine, but they don't learn. They don't listen really. They don't want to learn. So I noticed that, right? Like, even though I teach them, or like, it's not teaching, right? I'm not teaching anything. I'm just showing what I found. It's not like this is the holy grail. I just show you, okay, look at this. If you backtest it, it's always the same. It needs to have some value. And I'm showing like this kind of edgy and secret stuff that is crazy. But they don't listen. They never backtest. They never try. Like, even they don't implement whatever. Like, they do everything. They don't do anything.
Mm-hmm.
And I have a different, go back to what I want to say. I have a different view on things. So like, if 90% of 95% of all traders are not profitable, why? So this is I'm asking myself. If 95% of all traders are not profitable, why would I do the same thing what all the 95% people do?
Of course, it's not make sense.
Yeah, all the 95% people say trade with 1%, risk 1% out of your account. Always do the stop underneath the low or whatever. Like all these rules, all the traders tell you. I critical ask myself, is that good or is it not good? And I figured out, whatever they say, it is probably good in terms of risk management, because we already know, if you have like, if you have like a 3-to-1, if you have like if you always do like 3-to-1 risk reward, you can lose 3 trades out of 4 and you're still profitable, right? This is the main thing. So you're trading 1% risk here. This is your 1% risk, and you're risking, and you're losing 3 times in a row, and your 4th trade is a winner, a W, then you're profitable or you break even. This is like the system everyone is telling you, and this is correct. I'm not saying it's not correct. It's correct.
Yeah.
And I tried it myself. But what I want to say is, coming back, you said you have a very tight stop loss. Yes. So I am trading Solana here, mainly. I'm trading crypto. I'm trading 100. So this is I'm trading 100x. that is fucking gambling. So I'm using like $300 and I'm trading that leverage 100x. So my size is 30k. So 30k. So that means that if this that I'm entering somewhere here, maybe here, my liquidation price is 60%. So 0.6% is my liquidation price. If that is reached, I'm automatically closed my position and I lost basically 80% or 60% of my total balance.
Okay.
If the price would come down. So if I enter here and it never reached the 60% and I stayed in, and Solana went up this much, and I had the right mind that whatever, I stay in and I close the short up here. This is 3.57% out of 30k. So 1% is $300 and 2% is 600. So this is 900 and no, it's 1k. It's $1k. I would have made 1k here.
Yeah.
And that's like 5-minute candles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times like 40 minutes or something. In 40 minutes, I guess, I made 1k. Anyway, this is why. So this is why, for example, I need my strategy, or like I specifically, I need always to find these here, enter here, because my stop loss is so tight. It's $10, $20, $50. Like, I'm, for example, what could happen, right, is that I'm looking at this one here. We bounced up. So what happened here is, right, we came up, we built a new high. We built a new high to the left. So this is the last high. This is a new high. So I know the market is bullish for me, right? So I'm looking for something to buy. What is the point? Where's the point to buy? Oh, there's a point here. There's a point. This one is to buy. So probably I would have lost here, maybe, depending what I think. And then obviously there's this area here, and we see, there's this looks kind of great. And then maybe I go to the 1 minute.
So you can't afford to go max position each time, because
no, I could. That's a strategy. I could, but like.
But it's better not to, because you want to expand, like you are using multiple probability games, like you're not sure where to put your execution.
Yes.
So like you have many points that you put your execution, but on those many points, some of them is going to get hit and be right. So like if you
kinda, yes. But this is only, sorry to interrupt you, but this is only because I'm not a good trader. Like, this system is so complicated. That's why I usually trade only my system. This is so complicated to find these spots. Because look, like we looked into the 5 minute. We have like this is like an old support area basically, and it holds this down, and this got support and bounced up. And this came also and never closed. Anyway, it's a different story. It's so much to know what happened. So for example, we went lower than this one. This would be probably something I would say, if this is breaking, we go lower. So, but the price goes deeper and deeper and deeper, and finds something somewhere here. What is there? Okay, this is perfect. That would be a good entry. What is here? It never reached this point here, for example. So is that the right? Yeah. On the 5, we don't have any order blocks. We don't have any levels here, right? So on the 3, we have this one, but that never got hit. Maybe we have something on the 1, a different level on the 1. So what we have on the 1, we basically don't have anything either on the 1. So it is probably.
You have on the 1. You have on the 1. Like on the 1, you have the order block.
You have you have this one, yes, but the price is going down to here. The price is somewhere here. Yeah, the price is there. And yeah, okay, it's like
This,
it's not an order block. It's not an order block,
it's
or it's
not
not a
another
level,
block.
but it is like you see that it, like, you probably see it right now too, but there is some sort of interest of the market on this level, right? We come up, we rejected this level, come down, we boost it up, we break the level, come down, hold the level once, hold the level twice, and go up, right? So there's some interest in this level. This is probably why, like, I can't tell you which, like, why, like, I can't tell you right now from the short analysis why this is so important that we basically hit it and never come back, or like extremely go up, right? But like, yeah, this is it.
Yeah.
But it's also so many things play into consideration. Like, for example, the level on DJ, I found by there's a system where I look, for example, on the what
So
I do is,
your
for
chart
example,
is so active, like you drawing lines, you are drawing levels. So
yes.
how you are not trading? Like you are in front of this, I believe, a few hours a
No,
day, but you are not taking any actions.
yeah, because so when I blew an account, I take a month off or weeks off, and then I come back after that, because yeah, I don't have that much money to spare. So
Yeah.
it's always the same. Like from 2001, 2021, I had like 800 trades just from like 6 months. I was break even, and then I blew the account, and then I stopped trading for a month and learned more, and whatnot, and watched the most thing, in my opinion, is so all of that is a learning curve for me. Like so you have a system, right? You're following just the system you learn. I teach everything myself. So I sit in front. This is why I'm sitting in front of the chart and not executing. I'm sitting here and mark potential levels I would do, and I learn out of it what should I do and what not. And I learn from me the most.
You have a paper account. You can execute it. You can execute a trade, and
I do, but like this is too easy.
Yeah,
Like,
it's too easy, but you feel it. You feel when you put your stop loss and everything. Like
I did that. I do that from time to time, but I noticed that.
I know it costs money in TradingView, but you have brokers. You can just open an account.
No, it doesn't cost money. It doesn't cost money.
It doesn't cost money? Okay.
No, it doesn't. But it's like I'm so heavily profitable on the paper stuff that it almost kind of makes no sense to trade it. Like I make in 1 week I make like 3,000 or something, or like I could probably in one day I could go from 300 to 5 or 10k in one day on the paper.
Man, if you do it on the paper and you are like applied on the real money.
It has some, it is correlated, but it is not 100% the same, because execution, like you don't want to lose. But I tell you right now, if like me personally, right? So let's say, sorry to say that, but if I start with $300, right, and I trade that up to 500, I'm rich. You know why? Because then, so my process is, so how do I explain? So I have $200. I'm $200 in plus, right? And in my mind is I can lose $200 because then I'm still break even, or like I'm where I started, and I know I can repeat that multiple times from 300. But the main thing is I need to stay above 300 or the initial bank. So, and when I have that, and when I have $200 or like $100 or like $500 in a puffer, like where my mind can say I can lose this, bro, I make so much money, because
like you You feel more comfortable when you lose money that you can afford, like or
Yeah,
not
yeah,
like action about it. Like you don't feel like if you're losing right now. So yeah, yeah. This is a part of the game. This is also a part of this thing of overcome your emotion. That if you feel like actions when you take a trade, so it's maybe the reason is that you're risking too much.
yeah, probably.
Yeah.
But this is my whole strategy. Like I'm not following these 1%, 2% strategies. Like I did that and it's not working for me really. I yeah.
Yeah, got you. Yeah, it
Yeah.
was very nice.
Anyway,
It was very nice. It was very nice. Yeah.
I don't know if I can bring value. I'm just teaching you what I see, and like even though that might not be right, but I think there's some values in these two levels. I have more levels, right? I have more levels to show, but that's you're not necessarily. This is
Sometimes
like a
when
different
you feel
strategy.
it, when you feel like you are right and you have something in your hand that makes sense to you, it's like can say you are in the right direction. Like
Yeah,
you see it in front of your eyes happening over and over and again, and you have the ability to recognize it. So yeah,
yeah.
you do have something.
And the problem is that like why I this is basically the only reason why I say that, because this level the order blocks is very hard to master, because there's a component of I necessarily you basically necessarily don't specifically know which one is holding and which one is not. So the
Yeah.
price can come to this order block here and can hold, but it
So you
could
can
go.
put a rule. You can put a rule. Okay, I'm looking for order blocks in this kind of way. Like I want him to be in a certain kind of like big, like like in certain kind of high. This order block that you draw right now is too small for a 1 hour time frame order block. So maybe it's better to go down a little bit to the 30, to the 15, to look for a bigger order block. You understand me?
Yeah. Now
So
I have a system like the thing is, for example, too, like I have so much knowledge I could tell you right now, but I don't want to overload you, and you technically not interested in, like, you have your strategy and I don't want to interrupt your strategy because it works. You're profitable. Like you're ahead of me. Like you're ahead of me. So like but I'm just that's why I don't want to go so deeply into this order block. And I noticed that you only remember this like you only remember the order block, but I don't. So the order block, that is more, you need to know more to actually be able to know which order block you take and whatnot. But this level, like this, what I actually this break level, this is something I can truly say it works almost 100%. Like this is a level where I can say this is working. Like this is like very, like, this is so easy to mark, and it's so easy to spot, and it's everything so easy that yeah, this is why I shared the first time. I told you I want to only want to share this one,
yeah,
because I see it already here. Like this is such a good example, probably. This area here. Wait a second. This one here. This looks like already so perfect. It's I can do that probably out of whatever, like instantly, maybe. So we have this spot here. Usually, anyway, it's a different thing. Maybe here, and maybe, I mean, there. Yeah. So and then you come down, you build the low, you come up, build the high. So now my strategy is like after the first new high, it's the point. This is not 100% backtested, but it is backtested. Anyway, it's either here. Oh yeah, true. It's either here or here. But here we don't have two red candles in a row. So this is not on the 5 minute, it's not working. So I use the 5 minute here. And then this is the first low. Maybe you need the first low, or you take the second low. One of them, in this case, both would have worked. And then I know my goal is we came from the top. I told you that we came earlier. We came from the top. When I see a sideways movement like that, that is actually a sideways move that is respecting my level. I know, okay, my bias is long, and my bias is to break this one. So, and like how this one trader on YouTube said, I want to be in the trade before everyone else is coming in the trade. So my goal in this case is, when I see this structure, I want to be in a long from this position. Why? Because if this comes up here and it's not breaking, I'm in a long from here and my stop loss is here. So I don't lose money, I'm break even, and I can re-enter at some point else to make this, or even here, because I know it breaks. And we see again, just sorry that I actually speak so much, but we see again that it's a 4-point touch, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, boom. The fourth time again breaks the level to the upside and never comes back.
But you have you had someone that like you start watching and you have like certain kind of idea from him, and then you start to apply your thing on the chart. Like, I think you learn from the old guy that you sent me his YouTube. No, it's not from him.
No, not from him.
Uh-huh.
I only watched this, like so I searched for something. I searched on YouTube scalping and something like very specific, right? Because I want more knowledge in that, or like I want to see how other people doing it.
Yeah.
So I searched something with scalping crypto or scalping trading, and then something else. I can't remember. And then I saw this video from this guy, and I watched it, and he's saying so many good things. I actually share with him in terms of like what I think about trading and whatnot. He is like in and out, in and out. He doesn't want to be trading longer than 2 hours a day. He doesn't. He said no one knows what the market is doing. Like, he wants to be in and out, and he's like, this everything.
He's a bald guy. He's a bald guy.
No, I don't know the old guy.
No, bald, but is a bit younger, like around 45 years old, 40, and he's bald.
What you mean with that? What's your question?
The guy that you saw his video that you just talk about.
Wait, I didn't send you that? The fuck, wait. Nah, I sent you that for sure, right?
What?
The video with the guy?
You sent?
I didn't send you that? Wait, what?
You sent me a video with a guy that like with a white beard, I think.
Did I in our I don't see it in our
it was in the chat, I believe, in the Twitch chat.
Yeah, okay.
You have a stream with a little bit fat guy, like, you know.
Oh yeah, the guy who is like talking, so you can't understand his English. Yeah. Yeah, this guy. Yeah, exactly. No, I don't learn from him. I just looked for specific scalping, trading, and something else, and then I found him. And basically, yeah, I'm just sharing that because I'm so blown in my head. This is the first time someone's saying basically the same thing I think. Like he said, like, I want to be on the bottom to break a level so I can my stop loss in profit when it doesn't break.
Understand.
Anyway, yeah. I wanted to say something else, but let's see if I can with other blocks. Yeah. So you said I'm going into the order block multiple times and see if it holds, and then my winner is there. and I'm getting, or like why I share this stuff to other people and whatnot. So the thing is, when I watch your stream and whatnot, right, or like other streams, I see like you, I mean, you're not doing that. You specifically not, because your trading style is different. Like you have like these working, like it's 100% working. I see that, because you're basically you almost, I mean, you're marking basically almost the same as I do, but like I have like a little, in my opinion, I have a little bit accurate system where, and more knowledge behind it. Like you're just marking it because this guy told you to do so, but he never explained why you should do that, or like why this is happening. Like and I have the thing, I say this level is like, this is like a range, and you guy, and this is like a range, and if one of these things is breaking down, the move goes further. You're shorting that, but you're shorting it because he told you, oh, there's this one here, and there's this one here, and whatnot. He told you that. I watched his videos. He's kind of legit, I think. He has good stuff to say, but like he never said, okay, if that is shorting, if that is breaking, most likely the range is breaking to the downside if this level is breaking, and we can expect a move down to some other levels, whatever. Like anyway, the thing is, what I wanted to say is, like, I see you trading and I see other people trading and whatnot, and I see these, like, I see it on your chart. When I just look on your chart 2 seconds without the right time frame and everything, I see that it's like it's holding an order block like perfectly, and this guy on stream is saying, or you, or like not you, but like the other, oh yeah, it's like going here, it took liquidity and it has a liquidity grab and whatnot, and I say no, it's like holding an order block. You know what, I'm getting a little bit frustrated sometimes when they say, oh, it's this and that, but it's like they don't see this. Like, I don't know. Yeah, sorry, I talk too much, but like,
no, you're the guy who presentation, make the presentation, so yeah. Yeah. Listen, I hope sometimes to engage with your mindset, to have like a more way to to understand the chart, because there is something over there that you find out, that you understand. So
yeah, I mean, you understand it too. It's super simple. It's like, and I'm not better than you. Like I'm like, you see, like I noticed that. Yeah, you see everything. You not everything, but you probably see the same shit. Like this is like, yeah, you see the same shit, kind of. And when I tell you something, you already know. Maybe you have different terms, but like you already know and see and understand instantly what I'm saying technically. So you have an understanding too. It's not that I have something, but
we have like certain kind of the same things, but you're looking for to get the buttons, and I'm looking for to ride on the wave.
Yes.
Yeah.
And this is actually maybe a thing I need to consideration, or like so I blew the account, right? $50. Like I blew the $50, and because I wanted $50 to 300, and then I start trading like real kind of like with 300 anyway. So I blew the $50, right? And I did already some mistakes that are so stupid, and I know my mistakes, and it's so dumb that I do them, and it's so insane. So I have 2 rules right now.
Okay.
And the number 1 rule is basically your trading style, almost. Like I see correlation. So you're basically trading when something is breaking, right? That implements that you basically trade or try to trade in the direction of the market. You know, that is kind of smart. Or like, this is like, so you're basically trading in the direction of the bias of the market because it's breaking a level. And this is my number 1 rule right now. And like I need to have a bias, and I need to trade in the bias.
Yeah, like not messing around with yourself, like now is buy, now is sell, now what I'm doing. Like you have a pre-minded direction,
Yes,
and you follow it. And if you don't see it, you don't execute. Period.
exactly. And then the second rule is always go for order blocks. So these two rules I have, because for example, what happened is, I just explained it real quick how I blew my account. So I was on a higher time frame, right? And I had marked some stuff. I don't know exactly where it was, but I had marked some stuffs, and I had a I think, I don't know. I think it was here or something, here, right? And I had some levels. I had this level and whatnot, blah blah blah. I had it marked, and I was on a too high time frame, and I just came home or something from work, and I saw that everything. I saw it, and I entered on a higher time frame very quick, FOMO like, because it wicked down or something. I longed it too early or something, and then it went down, stopped me out, and then like
You're out on the equity loss, like you reach your max equity, something like this.
Yeah. So so my bias was again complete. Like you saw that too. Like my bias, when I tell you it goes short, I was a lot of time right when I told you we're going down, or 2 hours later we went down. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So my bias is a lot of times is correct. And here again, like I got stopped out. It feels so bad, and then it makes like 50%. It would be 5k, 10k or something. Like that's why, like, and why it happened. I was in an order block, and I never executed on an order block. I just went in high time frame. I never see something else. I just see it like this. I went in because I know, oh man, it goes now, and then it whipped me out, and then it goes, you know. So it's like my rule is like bias, have a clear bias, on something, and like execute only on order blocks. Like here, for example, we hit the 4 hour big 4 hour, like we talked about. You said that too. You said daily or something. I said 4 hour. It's most likely a 4 hour. This 4 hour line here, it's the fourth hit, so technically you could maybe break it up, but this level here is holding the move down, as we see. And then we go lower on time frame, maybe on the 15, and then, like I said, for example,
you look for an order block for the price to go down to.
Exactly. So you
can see also
we order block that.
Okay.
Order block, short, boom. You know. So like always go for the order block. It comes down, and because your bias is to the downside, maybe because this is holding the move down. It comes down. Maybe you go to the 3 minutes. So on the 3 minutes, sorry, but yeah, I tell you, on the 3 minute, what we see is we come up. There's maybe something here, like some little structure, some supports over here, or like maybe even up here, and we come down, break this one. So that means technically we are on a downtrend. Yeah. Technically, this one is super important here because this area here brings us to this point up here. So this area here, if this is breaking, we are 100% easy peasy in a downtrend. But technically, when you go down you have something here, and we see, we break it, boom, down, and then you think about, okay, we broke it down, the trend is short, I need to find an entry. 3 minute, I don't know if is 3 minute the correct. You missed it here, or you front run it a little bit, or you go on the 5 minute and see this one is boom, shorting. Anyway, it's easier said, it's hindsight, but I see this in real time. Like I noticed that in real time, and then we see that we break it here, or here even, and we most likely maybe we come back to this one here, and then we go further down. Yeah, we will see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it was great.
I talk so much, but like, yeah, you need to stop me when you have like when I talk too much or when I, yeah.
No, you're not. It's okay. Really, really. I'm not just saying that.
So you did one trade today?
Yeah, only one for so far.
Okay.
So I don't know. I'm chilling. I'm still on the. I'm focusing on the
8
pain.
minutes.
8 minutes for a new
8 minutes
30.
is open. New York, right?
No, New York Open were already before 1 hour and 22 minutes.
Really?
Yeah,
Wait.
New York opening is at
No.
3 p.m. Uh, but the stock market open at 4:30, I think, if I'm not wrong. The
For your
stock
time. For my time, it's
now you are
it.
3:20, right? So New York opening for you is two.
No, it's
Is
for
two.
everyone, right?
No, if you want to check and be sure, I send you. You know a website called Baby Pips?
Mm,
Forex market
no,
hours.
but
I'll show you.
let me one sec. Let me Google something and then you sent me already. Wait, let me see something here. Here, Forex clock.
It's too difficult. You have the Baby Pips and you just see by your time zone. Just make sure it's on your time zone where is
Okay.
the New York opening, etc. etc.
But why is it so difficult? Because a guy who is streamer too, right? He's trading NQ, like Nasdaq and ESP, S&P. He's always trading at New York Open my time 15:30. So it's for you 16:30 opening.
New York for me is 3 p.m. 3 p.m.
But how can it be a different
Is not
time?
is not New York opening. Is not trading New York opening. Is trading I think the stock market opening.
That's different. Oh,
What he
okay.
trading? What he trading?
Nasdaq and ESP, S&P.
As yeah. So he's
The
waiting.
stock.
Yeah. I see now New York opening at 2 p.m. No, I think I have a mistake. What the fuck? Is weird. I'm now look at the Baby Pips website and I
Yeah.
see the New York opening is 2 p.m. because we moved from summer to winter or from winter to summer clock. I don't know. Fucking weird. Never mind.
Wait. I have it here. Wait a second. Oh, I'm stupid. Yeah, look this one here.
2 p.m. What?
Look this one. I sent it you. It's like you see the left of the clock where the yeah.
Nice.
It says the orange one, New York, Nasdaq, New York. The orange one, the lowest orange one on the left side. It says it says 14:30. Ah, okay.
Man,
Then.
I don't know. I remember all the
What does
time.
it say to you? What does it say to you if you open it? Is it
I don't know. It's too difficult. Like, let's see. Now is 4:26, and now I'm at NYC Nasdaq New York. Like, is on the very beginning of this hour. Like,
but when does it start for you?
I sure
What does it say?
I send you a screenshot.
Okay. You can show it in in stream too, but yeah.
Ah, right. Yeah, of course. Yeah. see on the stream?
Wait, don't see it yet. Oh yeah. Yeah, you look. For you, it's starting 15:30. New York open. So it's 1 hour. Yeah, we have 1 hour difference. For me, it starts 14:30 for some reason, and for you, it's 15:30.
Okay, yeah.
PhD? No, what PA?
Phil.
Oh.
I miss. I write it like a fucking degenerate. No. Okay, so I don't know. Maybe the hours is a little bit changed, so I need to.
Hey, wait! I need to talk with that guy. Why is he coming at why? Like it's 9:30. It's 9:30 for him.
Who's
he's somewhere in USA, somewhere Chicago. I don't know, somewhere there. So it's 9:30. He comes when he comes online, it's 15:30 for me. It's 9:30 for him, and he says at 9:30 is the opening of the stock market for him.
Yeah, is it from a different country, no?
Yeah.
Because of that, the different hours, like.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So I don't know. Let's see what is going on.
When I come to the stream, right, and I saw this Heimer guy again, bro, what? That's so crazy. Is he? Yeah. Okay, he's a new streamer again. That's so crazy. A new viewer. Like they
Heimer
and instantly asked for the giveaway, man. That's
yeah.
Fast.
You know, I did it in purpose to attract. To attract followers, but you know.
Yeah, I know.
I don't know if someone is really here and listening and do like I don't know follow. Why not? Let's give away. If I'm really going to pass this challenge and I'm going to get this 100k founded account, so fuck it. Why not?
Yeah.
Give something back. You know. Is yeah, if I can do it, why not?
But 500 is a lot, man.
Yeah, like for me is 2,000 shekels. 2,000 shekels.
Shekels? What is that?
Shekels, nis, like the Israeli currency. So
shekels?
What?
It's called shekels?
Shekel, Ken. Shekel. Israeli shekel.
Man, I'm so uneducated, it's crazy. You have a different... So you have your own Israeli thingy, yeah? And that's called shekels.
What? Like currency? Of course.
Yeah.
Of course. What? We are 1 minute divided.
How much inflation do you have?
I'm not really sure, but it's very expensive to live here, but I believe we are a very rich country. Like we all about you know tech and everything, high tech. Israel is like very leading in this point. So
but with a lot of problems, Israel, right?
We are, you know, we have enemies. What we can do? I took a short here on GJ.
Oh, DJ, okay.
Let's see how it's going to play.
Okay.
Took a short here on GJ. Let's see how it's going to play.
Why? Can you explain me why? Because, it went under. Yeah, I see. Okay.
Let's see how it's going to play. Oh, recorder.
So,
yes.
I would have a question if you're ready.
Yeah, of course.
If with time. So the validation for your short is just underneath the order block to the left, yeah? The break?
My validation to take a sell is first of all to see this kind of structure, like a downtrend structure on the 15 minute, a break of support, like a break of resistance like we have here, and basically that I want to see everything
is because gold is going up. like
Yeah,
this, right?
and now
Maybe.
gold is going up. Like, if I wasn't focused on GJ right now, maybe I would took a buy on gold and put a stop loss here. I'm better like to take gold because gold is like more respect level. Like,
Yeah.
like
I
now,
see.
there is a chance the price is going to flip on me. Like now, maybe I'm going to lose. I don't know. Like, GJ is a bit like a little bit not quite adjust. I don't know how to say that. But
Okay.
we have a very nice trade so
Sell-off,
far.
yeah.
Let's put break even. Let it run.
But this area to
Gold.
the left there, on the
This one is a little bit concerning, but I'm look at this way, like
this one on the 5-minute looks very concerning. But let's see. So I have a huge reverse level, a huge one, I think.
I'm already up 1K.
Woo! Take it, bro. Just go out.
No, I don't want to be like afraid. I want to let it do its thing. I don't care. Like, I don't give a fuck. Let's
Follow your system. Yeah.
I don't want to be afraid of losing or not. Just what is mine. So, but there is a chance to be stop out right now on break even. I'm taking it into consideration. I'm not like there is a chance to lose right now, but let's see. Maybe I'm going to put the TP here. Yeah. I'll be right back in a minute. 1 minute.
Mm-hmm.
What is going on? Let's see. Nice. You know what I'm going to do right now?
Mm-hmm.
Let's do something like.
I'm just saying, be careful right now. In the short, there's no, I don't say it.
No,
Do
say
your
it. Say it. It's okay. I
No.
already protect my. Already protect. Like, if now I'm stop out, is $900.
Okay, perfect.
So yeah,
Good
maybe.
trade, bro.
Yeah, nice. I still believe it's going down. But yeah, better. Yeah, it was nice trade. Let's stop the recording. What I'm like feel confident about this trade that is going to continue down. I see gold is like moving up, continue with the movement, and yeah, I believe it's going.
But gold is like.
Let's go to.
Yeah.
You said 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Just to.
So you see on the left, there's like this huge candles everywhere there, and what I see, like this is a level I don't talk to you or like never told you about, but I see a level there. It doesn't, like how I said, nothing I say is 100%. You never
Yeah.
know, but like there's a level, I call it reverse level, and maybe this is a reverse level. That means the price reverses at this point and
Yeah.
goes in the other direction.
When I would start to be worried is if the price is going to go above the 192.60. Maybe it's time to worry about a reversal, but let's see if I'm going to be right.
Because
it's like a round number. When it's past a round number, it's usually continue with the trend, but if it's like break the round number and then retrace back up, like I don't know how to explain it in English.
Yeah, you shortened it earlier, I think. Like when the price,
like the price, like the price need to respect some levels, to continue to some direction.
Yeah.
So let's see what is going on with my.
But you know what I noticed when you said the big sell-off there. That is where, like on a 50-minute, you see a big sell-off, right? And that's why you took your short, kind of. That was one of your validation.
Yeah.
You said earlier. Just what I like. I don't think you should do like, but what I think about this. Every retracement we see has a bounce level, right? So, and I always think about, like, let's say, oh, there's a retracement, but this retracement is already like, it's so, like this 15-minute candles, they are already so long and it's going already so down. So at some point there needs to be
reverse.
Like, a reversal. Even though it's maybe only a short reversal, but there should be at some point a reversal. And I have that in my mind, right?
Yeah.
I would never short some like these, like maybe you're right, and because you understand the market more, forex and gold, because you're trading it. I don't trade it, but you know, maybe it's common that it drops so much and it never retraces. I don't know, but in crypto, there's always a little short retracement.
Yeah. You can see it on gold. Like gold sometimes can go down and further down, break another resistance, another and another and another. So because that, I want to be on the right way. I don't want to be against it. I don't look, if I see the price going up and I know that my bias is long, so I want to be on the right direction. I don't want to catch the top or the buttons.
Okay. Can you watch my stream real quick? What I've noticed right there?
Yes, I am on.
So I'm on your time frame, yeah, the 15.
I don't see your screen. I see a pink screen. No? No, I don't see.
Click on my name or click on. You should see.
Watch stream. Yeah. I see right now. Yeah.
Okay. So what I right there saw is like we have this weird. So I noticed that, right. That's a pattern I noticed. I never backtest, but like I have it in my mind. So it's like some sort of this one, yeah, kind of. And then what we see here is this level here. And we know that there's a 5-minute level down here, yeah? So what happened is, this is a 4-hour level from the left that is kind of important for gold. But what we see is, it holds it down. We have the higher high. We have the lower high. No, we have the higher high. After the higher high, we build a lower low.
Yeah.
So after this one, it's like... the chances, in my opinion, that we build from an order block. Oh my god, yeah, I see it. I see it while I'm like saying it. We have the order block here. This is basically could be a reverse level. Like this is like the same we have right now on DJ, because It's a different level. I don't tell you how, but because it's getting too complicated. Because like I can tell you if you want to. So when an order block is like this is a good example here right now. When order block is like this, and we have a level, or like the order block, it shoots a wick through, but never closed above it, right? We closed, this candle is closing above this line. So this order block holds this basically, and then the next one you can assume. So after this, this is still a valid level. This is called the reverse level. This is the same I show you right now on DJ. When we hit it, and afterwards to short this basically here is like a reverse level. So it could be a reverse level. So it basically comes, touches this, and completely rips off. And we have it. Why I said we have the same thing on here. So what I marked is this one. You see, we have this level here, this order block. We wicked through it. Oh my god!
But we didn't close over there. Yeah.
And then we close like on the play, bro. What the fuck? So and now, for example, what I would let's say I trade that, right? And right now I want this one, so that the price. So wait, let me see something. Let me really quick see something. So because I have a strategy for protecting my stuff, right? Okay, this is a little bit hard. Okay, so what I would see is let's say I'm in the trade from somewhere here, and then I have like for protection is like on the 1 minute. So I'm marking these while I have this trade. So I'm marking this one. Wait a second. Do I mark? No, I'm marking this one here. So and this is basically so I'm in and this one I need to reach this level after the hit in like 1 minute or something, like very close. And then I'm going further. I know I talk too much. You don't understand anything about.
Oh yeah, I understand.
So and then I say, for example, then I go 3 minutes and I mark the same level, and I go to the 5 minute, and on the 5 minute we don't have it basically. So these two levels here is basically my, how you call it, like my protection of my entry. So when the price in 3 minutes or in 1 minute is not coming, like it doesn't stay above these two level here and goes up, like I'm out, because I entered here, right, and I'm out.
Okay.
This like a little bit of risk management, while I'm in the trade.
Yeah.
Kind of thing. But yeah. Oh my god, kind of crazy. Like oh my, it's crazy.
Nice.
I need to execute, Roman.
You need
money, bro.
You need to start to do it.
Look, to make that you actually believe what I'm saying, right? Because I wouldn't believe myself when I talk to myself. I wouldn't believe me only when I show it, you know. Like, and for example, I would have told you, like, I would have sent you this screenshot, right? But now you saw it actually in real life. Like, I was on gold and had this level, and then I switched. I had this pre-mark, and you see this reaction out of it. It doesn't need to hold, but right now the next thing. Sorry, I talk so much, but like it's so much. So the next thing is like this one here right now. This one is need to hold. If this is going down, you're out of the trade.
Like you don't want this candle to close inside of this. Maybe if it's close outside.
This is very crucial. This is very crucial. Like this is like I can explain you why, if you want. So this is a 5 minute level, right? A 5 minute. Like I can do this and do like 5 minutes. Then I have the 5 minute thing here. Anyway, this is the 5 minute level. I'm on the 5 minute chart. So on the reverse level, what happens is, we see that from time to time. Let me find some examples here. This one would be an example, but it's not a clear example. Here for example, right? Here's the same example, or like here's the same. Not here, but here's the same example. So, Watch. So this one here, I see it. It's a different time frame, but I see it, right?
Yeah.
So what we see is to a level, and then it comes up and down and up. So I need to go 3 minutes, and then I see, like, most likely is the 3 minute, boom, it holds, right? It holds the level up. So it comes down, it comes up, and then it holds this level. It needs to hold. If this is not holding the level, like holding means, right? The holding that it's holding, does this, and then it goes up.
Yeah.
If it's going underneath, maybe enclosing a body underneath, it's a break, and I'm out of the trade.
Yeah.
So this is very crucial on the 5 minute here on the left, that we hold this level right there. I marked, because it's the same thing, and you see here this one, boom. I can go on the 3 minute and we see, or like on the 1 minute and we see, maybe you see like some, look here, like there's the perfect level. So maybe we are on the 1 minute right now. Boom, it holds this and goes up. So
if you put now a buy execution, now you execute a buy, so you put your stop loss below there.
So there's yeah. So this is a good question. So so you see this one, I would have entered here, but if you want to have, so it's so much to explain. Do you know what ladder means? Like a ladder. Where you climb
of course.
Okay, so in a ladder, it's probably not a good metaphor or like example, but a ladder in trading, what I've learned is that the price is laddering up or is laddering down. And when you know this, it makes sense with order blocks too. It's correlated with order blocks. So the price comes down to a level, and then it ladders off of order blocks of ladders. And then you have also, it makes sense, you have a trend, right?
Although it's break the low of the previous candle and etc., you still have like certain kind of like like you draw right now, that is like steps, certain kind of steps.
Yeah, exactly, steps, all had ladder, right?
Yeah.
And these ladders basically creating like the trend line, right? If you do a trend line, this is a trend line. If the trend line is breaking, what I've learned is, like, let's say this example, this is not a correct example, but let's say this trend line is breaking, that means that we attack the origin of this move, where it comes from. That would be here. So we most likely go down to this area or break even further down. So this is why a trend line is, in my opinion, it's the same as a normal level, but it's kind of important. Anyway, yeah, but the ladder means, like, a better example here's a good example. This is a good example, right? We are laddering down, and this is the same thing as we could ladder up, and we built a trend, So and this, how it works is, if you find the right time frame, it's like, I don't know if it's 1 minute. Yeah, it must be 1 minute, because we don't have enough candles here. But there's an order block. There's an order block here, and there's some order blocks here, and there's then some order block here. You see, like, it is actually laddering out of these levels, out of these order blocks. And that's what I mean earlier when I explained to you.
So now, if you want to execute, look at the price. If you want to execute a buy, you need to execute now. No, look at your chart.
Oh, here.
You buy now and put your stop loss below the previous candle, because if it's break it, it's now not a ladder anymore. It's not like
exactly.
God, yeah.
Exactly. Something. But then. It gets complicated. It gets more complicated, because look what could happen right now. We have this level down here.
I don't like a low time frame, because you don't have like a strong confirmations.
Yeah. You're completely right. Like, but you know that the thing is, like, I'm not staying there or like trade a lot of there. Like I maybe sometimes I do when I see a clear position, but this it's not only for showing you, because this one here is technically the same as on the 1 minute or 5 minute. It's just structure. Like, it's not strong. It's the same strong as the 15, 30 or 1 minute or whatever, but it's structure, and technically it's doing the same thing as like on the bigger time frame. That's my belief, at least.
Yeah.
What I just want to say is like with laddering, now my fucking system comes into play, whatever, where you can maybe building some structure, like some sideways structure. Sideways equals accumulation, right? Someone like the market is the downtrend is reversing. This is a reverse level. We talked about that. So maybe it's reversing. Reversing means it's accumulating, people buying, like more buyers there, and at some point we break this level and we have my system, my setup, blah blah blah. So like ladder is not easy. Like, oh, if this is breaking, yeah, it's breaking. So it's so this one is like, this one is the correct one on the 1 minute, and we have a triangle what we see, and we talked about that earlier. I said it's pressing against some I showed you that at some point it's pressing against the trend, and then it goes up or it pops up kind of. So and at this point maybe it doesn't happen and it goes so and it goes down. Who knows?
Yeah.
You see, it's like, but it's crazy. It works today. I can explain very good. I think that is a good explanation here, right? That's a perfect example here.
Yeah.
Like order block, hold the price down, to order block, hold the price, to order block. This is like laddering the price down, and we have the same thing on the. Yeah, it's like, yeah.
It's interesting and
nice, right?
Yeah. Just to execute. This is to complete everything.
That's my main part.
Complete everything. Execute and start to not risk everything. Risk a little bit because you want to stay in the game. You don't want to bet everything at the same time. You want to bet big when the time is in your favor, when you see it go in your way, but you don't want to bet big at the beginning. See?
Yeah, you might be right there. Yeah. So this is why I told you. I think I told you that I'm talking to a few other people, but mainly the last few weeks only to you basically. But I maybe talked to you like the $5 challenge. I don't know if I told you that before, but I was in the $5 challenge for a month or two, and this is where I made the most money, because I had like 139 point something. Let me see if I have that. So this is my journal, right? And you see this right now?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is my journal, and I don't know, like I stopped at some point, but I started on the 13th and
13 to Feb.
Yeah, I had all these trades. These are my daily goal was $50, and I was like, these are the close of the day, right? So and you see the profit here, and at some point probably on the 19th I stopped. Yeah, or
8K.
No. I stopped. Yeah, so I stopped. Yeah, I stopped probably somewhere here in this area here. Yeah. Probably stopped here because this is not correct. Here I copied the last two to get further down. So I stopped here, and you see, like I started at $300 I started at $300 on the
13th to Feb,
and my goal was $50 a day, because $50 a day is like, I showed you that, like when I have $50 a day here, it's like it's yearly after tax 13K, and it's like monthly after tax 1K, and obviously your tax is different. This is just my personally, but I was at like 100. Yeah, I marked it here, right? Here. Mm-hmm. My average was like 139. My average was 139 something. And yeah, sorry. And you see that it's like 4K after tax. Yeah. Like 50, 35. So 139, around 139. A day is like 4 or 5K or something, and yeah, this is my, and I started at 300, and on the 19th, or like let's go to the, yeah, I don't know.
You reached
Sometimes I
to
don't.
one
It's so
one
much work. What
1.3.
again?
You
Yeah,
reached to
I'm at 1.3K in like a week or something. So
yeah.
like you see the potential. Like this is insane. If you one time, I mean, you know that because you're already you're far ahead of me because you're in the
Yeah,
validation of
yeah, you know,
100%
but
count.
it doesn't matter how much you make. Is really important how you make it, because I tell you from my experience, I made, I'm not serious, in 1 week almost 4K. Like
Yeah,
it
yeah, yeah,
was one year ago, I believe, and it was like from my own money, but I lose it in 1 day and a half.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Exactly.
So it's not working. So I made 4K. I don't have the capability and the way to keep
No, you
it.
had. You
No,
know
to
why?
keep it. I mean,
So I have the same issue. I had the same issue
I'm talking
multiple
about
times.
myself last year ago. I'm not talking about myself now. What I did 1 year
Yeah,
ago
but
is completely different.
you switched the system, right? You switched the 1%, and
I,
you
I
implemented all
switched
this.
the way I'm trading at all. I used to trade with
Oh,
indicators. I used to trade 5 minute time frame.
okay,
Completely like completely different trader from last year.
okay.
So yeah,
Yeah, but like the most thing, like because I was there too, and that's just a learning curve. Like every trader learns from mistakes, or like should learn from mistakes. So if my mistake is, let's say, like I have a bias that this is breaking, as I told you, yeah, yeah, and I'm in from here,
yeah,
and the price
like
comes.
you want to know when you have a bias and when your bias is not valid anymore.
Exactly. And my most mistakes, how I blew account is that something like it goes down here, right? I enter here and it goes down, and technically I should go out instantly. And then I look to the left, like this is a bad example, but yeah, no, it's a good example. So, and then I look to the left, right? And here are like order blocks and some levels and then I see some specific levels, and then I stay in the fucking trade because I think, oh man, it bounces from off, it goes down, right? I'm in
Yeah,
minus, I'm from here. I'm in
because you
it
hope it's
bounces
going
up.
to retrace in your
Yeah,
way
exactly.
eventually.
And then it
Yeah,
goes and I lose big time.
yeah,
And I blew the account. And this loser here is so big, it's out of my statistics, because usually I close instantly, or like, getting
yeah,
stopped out because I don't want. But from time to time, I make these mistakes where I think, oh man, it goes up again. It finds support at this levels and yada, yada, yada. And it doesn't. And then you have the big loser.
yeah.
This is one of my big mistakes.
So here you learn something new about yourself, and now you have the right tools
Exactly.
to continue.
Exactly.
Yeah,
It's all learning process.
yeah, of
And what
course.
I've noticed right there, right? What I've noticed is while I'm teaching or like talking to you is like, maybe, well, what do you think about? Look, like I explained to you what I like, that, oh, I'm staying in the trade because then after that I see all this kind of stuff that could hold the price. But what if I just say I give a shit about what is left, and I'm entering in here, so I'm concentrating on this structure, and the low of the structure is here. So when it breaks this low, I'm just out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I. Yeah,
Sometimes you
I
don't need
think
to look too much on the bigger picture, because you need to focus, like to know
yeah,
what you're looking for, not like confusing yourself from zoom in to now to zoom out from the trade, and now too many point of view. You need to have a point of view, multiple point of view, but they direct on the same point. You understand? Like you are not like confusing yourself.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
exactly.
It's hard. It's
Yeah.
hard.
Yo, so I think I'm going for a run. It's now
Okay,
5 p.m. and now I'm completely done. I'm not going to trade anymore. Like
bro,
I
you
did.
made good profits.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I made.
Let's
I did
go.
my thing today.
But crazy how how you kind of struggle to go over the 5K, right? 4.5K. Like you're going up, down, up, down,
I'm
up,
still
down.
I still didn't go above the 5K, but look how it look like from like the analyst, like the way it go, the balance you see here, like how you have, like it look healthy, it's not look like too much.
No. You know what that doesn't look healthy? This big spike to the downside. I would analyze that
Yeah,
in your case because
yeah.
this is, yeah, you see this big spike? It's too big of a statistic. If it's half, it's fine, but
it
you
were
make some mistakes.
yeah,
You made
it
some
were I
mistakes
believe
there.
on the, I took the challenge I think the start of a week, and then I continue in the next week, and I made a few mistakes, but now I'm pretty much from this point pretty much good. Now I got the highest equity. Yeah. So
Yeah, it looks good besides this big spike down there.
listen, my gross profit is 13,600. So if I were only winning, so I already passed the challenge. My win rate is 47%. My loss rate is 52, and profit factor
Okay.
is 1.63. So it means it's profitable because it's above one. My
But
biggest,
still, it's only 50 trades or so. So maybe you need a little bit
yeah,
more
I need
trades.
more, of course. I know.
But it's good. Looks good so far.
Yeah,
You easy get that. Like I believe in you, bro. Easy,
yeah. I really need it, to be honest. Really need it.
bro. And then you're printing, bro. And then you're printing.
I wish.
You're printing every month, man.
I wish.
So is it
Okay.
your? But that's not your first validation you did, right?
I did as my, like in general, I believe I did more than 4 at FTMO, but it was under
What happened with them?
it was a different strategy, but
Okay.
two of them is like what I'm doing now is the same strategy, but I were less better than I am today. I were
Yeah,
less
like
better.
yeah.
Yeah. So now,
Because you have more experience on the charts, you have more experience to see the structure.
yeah,
probably.
this kind of trading that I'm doing now, I do it less than a year. So I'm pretty much new to this.
Yeah.
But trading in general, I believe since, let's say, 2018, 19.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
trading
You're
since
even
then.
longer in the space than me.
19, 18 since then, and I never give up. And I
That's
lose
good.
ton of money, man. I lose ton of money. I believe I lost more than 30K. 30K
that's
dollars.
crazy.
I'm not
But
kidding.
you make, watch, listen to me. 2025, you make all your losses back, 30K. You reach this evaluation, you reach it in the next 1 or 2 months, and then you print money till the end of the year.
Let's see what is going to happen. Yeah, I'm very positive. I believe I'm going to do it. I really believe I'm going to do it.
I believe too, bro.
I have it.
Eden.
Eden. Yeah, he's going well with a German accent. He's okay. Eden.
Yeah, no. Like the thing is, like, have like what is it called?
Heaven.
Eden.
Heaven.
No. Eden. There's like this Garden of Eden.
Yeah.
About this.
Yeah. Like in Hebrew, the Garden of Eden is Gan Eden. We say Gan Eden.
Yeah, but like I like Eden. I like that's such a
Eden.
cool name. Like
Eden,
bro. What?
Yeah, Eden. What?
I like it. This name. That's actually like if you actually also speak it like Eden.
Eden.
But you say Aiden, right? Aiden or Aiden? Eden. Eden.
Yes.
Okay. Kind of nice name.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's go for
All
a
right.
run. Little bit shake my body. You know, you need to stay
Yeah, good.
healthy.
Alrighty.
All
Then have a
right,
good one.
bro. Take care.
Bye bye.
Bye.
You too.